Here I have OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly, you have to open Contacts application. Then tap here, go to go to Fix and Manage section here. Then select Import from SIM. There select where to you want to copy them, so let's just copy them on device. Here you can select which contacts you want to copy and which not, so let's import them all. You can also remove copies, and now we have these new contacts on our device. I'll try to find at least one of them. So here you have this Zadzwo and Domnia, and also someone else. Okay, I have to switch to the device. Here I have this contact. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.